This is Laura Geller's eyeliner. So if you're looking for a new eyeliner, I think this is a great one. I love her Kajal liners. Those are really popular, I know. And this one is the Ink, let me double check the name, Inkcredible. And this is a gel liner. So I do like that as well because it has a little bit finer tip. This also is waterproof. So that's also a good thing as well. This is the brown sugar. And I'm just going to draw it on my hand so you can see. But that one is a very fine pencil. So you can see the end, hopefully. And that one, I think you can really get in and draw nicely the shape that you're going for when you line. And then also for that under eye as well, it'd be a really good eyeliner for that. So I love Laura Geller's products. They're so good. This one is just very smooth, almost like just a fine tip pen, I would say. So if you're somebody that wants that very precise line, this would be a good liner for that reason as well. And again, just so easy to use. You can adjust the length of the tip using the twisty end here too. So that's always good. But if you're thinking about checking out, get this home, try it, see what you think. And if you like this video, please give it a heart.